Are these guys even human at all?
Who knows? Just what exactly are you, Payne?
That name is an alias. Payne is actually a designation that refers to the six of us as a group.
Evil, welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the bunker, aka Witness One. Your ears are not having a malfunction. You heard from C4, now it's time for to hear from the second star witness. You just can't make this up. Before we go into that, we have a patron birthday shout out to Julian Davis. Julian, we have a birthday present for you. You got here from the bunker for the very first time. Big up yourself. Hope you have a great day. We know stay are tuning in. Same way. Hope that this is a present we remember for a very long time. So Julian, big up yourself. Big up the whole patron squad. The powers that be have no interest in truly fighting crime. That's obvious right now. To me see, they're as useless as a whale we can't swim. Walk nice and talk nice. Go on various shows and programs and talk and impress the masses who, as we know, are easily impressed. The reason I bring up the masses because we talk about the politician, we talk about the big wig, we talk about the super, we talk about the people keep, overlooking the masses, the public. I don't think they're much better either. Because the big wigs and the politicians treat them how them teach them how to treat them. Deal with them how them teach them how to deal with them. They say we don't realize that the people them figure out to know. They realize that the whole time when they make nights and demand answers. Even as somebody popular did. Or somebody wanna like maybe them pretty or something like that. Every now and then they try act like when they care about something. They only care about a case, for example Jasmine Dean, but then when that time for show up, nowhere to be found, but we'll see when they show up for other things. So the people them still gonna study that and study, In my opinion, the machine is trying to break these men. You see, they can't overtly harm them, as that would be the biggest disgrace ever. The two star witnesses and the biggest gang trial in Jamaican history, something happened to them. Even by for them standards, it would be hard to leave that down. But yet still they won't do their job and send these men off to go start a new life because there is no way they can continue theirs in Ironman. Crime thrives in Ironman because of the culture and the people. Same reason why it thrives in Trinidad, Southside Chicago, Honduras, but you're kidding yourself if you don't realize this. The witnesses have made huge sacrifices, gave up a lucrative career in crime to end up stuck in a box with no real future. I say it almost like them become the prisoners, the people them who are on trial, bust the case, says and Smokey them gone back a road and the witnesses them now I live like them are prisoners. You're going to hear even the star witness mention that. Whoever in power, I see him thing. One time I ask them about operations of the gang, what mean this party up on this party up. The same thing, we operate the same way. They show me so even though them look like and them go on like say them are enemy and them against each other. When it comes down to crime and corruption, they're on the same page. Them they in a one accord, I'm not talking about the 100. For many, it seems like choosing between the JLP and the PNP is like choosing between getting lit down by a Leland truck or a JUTC bus. Pick your poison. So, me watch closely, but me say in my opinion, they must have tried to break their money. But if anything happens to them, we're turning things up another level. If even a strand of hair upon their head get hurt, we're turning things up another level. Somebody have to look out for them, somebody have to talk up for them. This is just a warm up, the intro. Listen to the banker in his own words.
I deal with my boss, so they are all it in his struggles, they see me under pressure, you know? You know, see, those struggles them where I go through my general, the thing does rough, you know? It's like you just not reach nowhere upon them thing. It's like everybody going like them want to take a fool on them thing, them in general, you see it? My general, I never know, so the thing it'll be like this where the same government man, them come back and pressure you upon everything. And them go on like them don't know, and them know my boss. But the same government man, them come back and pressure we, you know. It's like everything where them promise you, nobody now live up to what them promise you, you know. Everybody a try to go around here, you know. I just man them from Sea-Tac, you know. I just them man they alone live true to them word, you know. You know, long right all the Minister of National Security and the man they even have a decency to answer back the letter we write him. No decency to answer back a letter. Remember say what we do, you know. None of them man they wouldn't do it, you know. No man of Jamaica wouldn't stand up and say, yo, them are gonna stand up against crime, you know. No man now do that in my general. Nobody now do it and we say, yo, yeah, hear me. We put everything on the line, you know, and do what we are doing, you know. I will do it, you know, when we do it, you know, nobody not stand upside of we, you know. Everybody feel we, you know. The system feel we, you know, my general. The hardest thing I forget some help from the same government, the government of Jamaica. No matter who are the government of Jamaica, it's hard to get some help from the government. Them daily do like we are nobody. But the same government and the same ministries of government used to pay with extortion money. Used to pay the Klansman gang extortion money. Check go bank man go parish council man go all go pick up money. But we forget help, we can't get help. But the criminal them collect extortion and get help. How is it? Them no want to stop crime, man. Government, the man them no want to stop crime, my boss. Remember say me is a man always a try my little business, you know. Yeah, me no really make the system really can't help me, you know, so I have to do my little business same way. And the same government man them turn around and pressure my boss. And when they reach out to the man them and say, yo, them man are pressure with, there's nothing them do about it. Nobody no do nothing. Nobody no do nothing about it. Nobody no find a way to say, yo, me resolve that problem here. So life is easier. It's like them left for by ourselves, my brother. Yeah, nobody no care about we. Nobody no care about we. What we do, nobody, no prime minister, no opposition leader, no minister of national security, nobody, no police commissioner, nobody nah stand up against them type of criminal, yeah. So we do it, and we never have no fear. We not hesitate when we do it. We go in there, we do it. Stand up and do it. Proud as a Jamaican. And guess what? Them people are feel we. Big time, them feel we. You call them and nobody not answer your phone, because guess what? You're not important no more. So when you call a man, nobody not answer. When you write a letter, nobody not feel. Me know say crime can't stop. Crime not hard to stop. You just take it right, man, if you just put on him foot and crime stop. Crime easy to stop. Be a go round and go round. A man call you and say, oh, get that, and then 6 months time you don't hear from them again. All you call them, you can't hear them. Be a go round, and you wonder what go on. Be a lie them a tell. Peer lie them a tell. Everything is just a secret. Oh man, if you keep secret about your business can't be a secret. Be a secret them a keep. Yeah, my general said, it come out of the ministry, you know, somebody in the ministry, you know, connection to connection, you know. And them say, yo, them want to kill me, you know, my general. Them say them want to kill me. And they come back on my ear. Them the rate way. Them not like what we do. We shouldn't do what we do. That not for them head. For them head, we shouldn't do what we do. All of them big companies where they are Jamaica, them here what go on with you. Why none of them never try to reach out to you and say, yo, the witness them we are go through them things through the government of Jamaica and help them. How can we assist these witnesses and other witnesses where I try to stand up against crime? Not only we alone, you know. And we alone I go through it and other witnesses I go through it too, you know. So why them not say them are going to help other witness? But you know, nobody not care. The business society of Jamaica not care, nobody not care. Why the security minister never send somebody to come talk to we and find out what go on with we? Nobody not deal with we and find out what go on with we. Nobody not call we or we reach out to them. Everybody ignore we cry. Everybody ignore we cry at Jamaica, you know. Everybody ignore we cry. You have police out there who do hit work. You have police out there when time them a come and raid. Them call you and tell us the police are come. You have police out there where collect extortion. Spanish Town Police Station need a shake up. Not only Spanish Town Police Station, also Sligoville Police Station. Got the same set of police them. Need a shake up. From traffic police to detective to Ops Police, Spanish Town Police Station need a shake up.
Now, after hearing that, do you see why I have such disdain? They fear with big wigs. You know, for them Papi Show only claim say leaders and MPs and senators and all these things. If them really want to shake up Spanish Town, because a Spanish Town, C4 and the bank are responsible for. Or at least Klansman. If they really wanted to end crime and mash up this and mash that and stop this and stop that, they could do it. They can dismantle, right, the Spain Town crooks them, the crooked cops them, right, the corrupt politicians, right, the permanent secretaries them. Enough of them who are straight up thief, right, walking up and down in a clean clothes. Straight up thief. I tell you, if Jamaica cared about knowing the half, these men have all information. Instead of saying we're going to use this, right? We're going to take you on, yeah, I'm going to show you how you do this. We're going to dismantle this, give you this, give you this, give you that. Instead, then take the money man for the stand after them don't testify. And then send them to another form of prison. Because I guess call it prison them, you know. If Jamaicans say these people are accountable, they'll be explaining themselves. But these big wigs know who them are dealing with. How can the star witnesses for the biggest young trial in history still be lingering away on a godforsaken program so long after the trial? I've never seen this. This is why I know something extra go on. Listen. Witnesses are still getting death threats. People who are in prison, people who have been charged and found guilty. People who have been found guilty on the Wandan trial are already sending threats to the witnesses. Vehicles, whenever I move on, I get trailed. How is that possible? Yes, star witnesses, right, I get trailed. Realize them and I trail them, and then team affair try to take it themselves. How them know the movements of the star witnesses? If a single strand of hair hurt on any of them head, as I tell you, that was so on. This is just the intro. We have things ready. We have things put on. It's only some of the officers them in a seat up why these men are still alive. It's clear to me that older people, not just Klansman, want them dead. Not just, that's the obvious one, right? You know, it's obvious that the Klansman even want them. But people in a suit and tie, big wigs, people in the ministry of this and the ministry of that, Jamaica are going to know what going on, man. The Jamaicans do care, we're not going to know. Whatever frequency operate on others, they say are good. So, people them who vibrate on a certain frequency want to tune in. It's going to be, right, one hell of a roller coaster ride. I tell the witnesses them keep them head up, don't lose faith. But I can hear the frustration, and I know you can hear it too. Extraordinary. This is just the warm-up. The summer just start. Anyway, Kitchen Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, whole life. Ultra Squad, stay circling. Bless.